Good morning everyone. Myself Soham Suttosawar. I am studying in 11th standard and also preparing for NDA examination in Rashtramatha Reserve Academy. Today I stand before you to present my speech on a great leader and great freedom fighter, Subhash Chandra Bose. Many leaders gained notoriety during India's struggle for independence. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of these fearless leaders and was highly regarded by all. He participated in Indian freedom movements, civil disobedience movement. He also belonged to Indian National Congress. He went to Japan in 1943 and started setting up the Indian National Army there. Because of his fortitude, Subhash Chandra Bose was given the title the Iron Man. In Kolkata, 1897, he was born in an upper middle class family. He was the son of Shri Janki Nath Bose and Srimati Prabhavati Datta Bose. India was colonized when Subhash Chandra Bose was born, and because of that, he always dreamed of an independent India. There were 6 sisters and 7 brothers of Subhash Chandra Bose. Among his parents' 14 children, he was the 9th child. So, a Swadeshi at heart, Subhash Chandra Bose joined in the Indian National Congress in 1939, but left by a verbal altercation with the party's leader in 1940. He was known for his fairly Indian chant, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. This year, India is celebrating 124th birthday of Subhash Chandra Bose. He also founded the Azad Hind Fauj, which was credited by coining the phrase Jai Hind. Great freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose has played a crucial role in India's independence. Before ending my speech, I would like to share a golden lines of Subhash Chandra Bose. एक व्यक्ति किसी विचार के लिए मर सकता है, एक व्यक्ति किसी विचार के लिए मर सकता है, लेकिन वह विचार उसके मरने के बाद भी हजारों लोगों के जीवन में अवतरित होगा. लेकिन वह विचार उसके मरने के बाद भी हजारों लोगों के अंदर अवतरित होगा. I suppose you enjoyed my speech and also gained some information about Subhash Chandra Bose. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe Rashtramatha Reserve Academy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.